Hello and welcome to ClickTech UK. Today I'm going to be looking at these truly wireless stereo earphones. These are the T8 from HolyHigh. So let's get the box open and let's have a look. So as you saw in that little unboxing montage, the T8s are well packaged inside the box, and in there you get a user manual, spare earbuds, micro USB charging cable, a little fabric pouch with a little drawstring, and the earphones themselves and the charging carry case. So taking a quick look at the charging case, has this little plastic flap on the top. On the end there is a micro USB charging port, and on the other end there is a USB-A connector. Now that is because you can use this as a battery bank with its 3000 milliamp hour battery, being able to charge other things, not just the earphones. So looking at the earbuds a little closer, we can see there's a touch sensitive button on the front. Then around the edge there is a red LED. Now that you can also get in blue if you don't like the red. The ear tips are made of silicone and they do give a very comfortable fit in your ear. Now when exercising, things like that, they tend not to fall out as long as you have got a good seal. If you can't get a good seal with the medium ones that come with it, you can use some of the supplied ones, which are all different sizes. Now the battery in these is 15 milliamp hours for each one, and obviously they charge up when you put it into the case. Now the battery in the earphones is going to give you about 3 to 4 hours playtime, and combine that with the pretty large battery in the charging case, and they say you can get a total of about 120 hours actual playtime from a charge of the charging case. Now the earbuds from flat will take about an hour to get fully charged, and the case will take about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge that 3000 milliamp hour battery. So if I pop them in to the case, you can see there we get the 3 blue LEDs light up. So this is actually the battery indicator for the case, so you can see how full that is. The seal, made by the silicone ear tips, is very comfortable and blocks out a lot of background noise. Now these come in at less than £40 at the moment in the UK, but for that money I think you're getting very good quality for it. The charging case is a little bit heavy, but you would expect that with the battery that's in there. But more importantly, how do they sound? Well, to be quite honest with you, I've had a few truly wireless earphones in for a review lately. I've got to say, these are probably the best that I've had so far. The sound is very crisp and clear, but also well rounded. The bass is definitely there, and they are quite high on the volume side of things. But that doesn't mean that you get any distortion from that. They do sound really, really good, even at high volumes. One thing I found though with getting these out, because of the touch sensitive buttons and the way they're actually in there, if you get in hold of them to get them out, sometimes if you've got slippy fingers it can be a little bit difficult, but also it's very easy to touch the button as you're taking it out and actually pressing play or whatever. Now another thing to note is that you can pair these as a pair, or you can pair them individually as left and right. So you can use either one. Say for example you only want to use one because you want to be able to hear what's going on around you, but you also want to listen to some music, or you want to make a phone call, then that's absolutely fine. You can do that with these. So overall, what do I think? Well, as I said before, the T8s are probably the best truly wireless earphones that I've had in for review so far. And I don't make that lightly. Yes, I've had them with large charging cases, the ability to charge other things, you know, the length of playtime overall. It's been the same with others that I've had before. But these really stand out for me on the audio quality, and this is where you really want something like this to stand out. For me, they do everything right. It's well packaged, you've got a nice set of accessories with it. I don't know why you would want a charging case and a carry pouch. Doesn't quite make sense to me, but there you go. But overall, due to the whole package that you get with this, I would say these are highly recommended. So I'll leave links to the HolyHigh T8s from Amazon in the description below. Please don't forget to use our Amazon overclockers or GearBest links. They really do help to keep the channel going. Or if you want to support the channel in other ways, we do have t-shirts available at our merchandise store. So give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon. PC builds, reviews, how-tos. So the best way not to miss any of those is to hit that subscribe button below. It doesn't cost a thing. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.